Hi, this is ASUS ROG Phone 7 and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google of Google Assistant option on this device. So first let's open the Google application, then tap on the right upper corner and go to the settings. After that, tap to voice section and click to voice match. To activate Hey Google option, you should tap once on the switcher. After that, just tap to more, I agree, once again to I agree, to the next, click to not now, and now we could see here that the Hey Google option successfully activated. If you want Assistant to recognize your voice, you should add your voice model, so tap here to retain voice model and say, okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, set the timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Then just tap to next, not now, and after that when you'll say okay Google or hey Google, you could see that this option successfully activated. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.